What is home to me? I think home is a very sacred place to me. It is the place where I can 100% be myself, create like beautiful and bad memories. It's a place for me to recharge and like just energize myself. So yeah, I think it's my safe haven. What people would assume of me. So, okay, the most common one that I've always gotten is that I look very fierce. You can wave or say hello, okay? I'm not angry at you. I think my home reflects me a lot in the sense that it's a very calm, neutral space for me, which is what I want to feel inside every day. Although sometimes I feel like I don't show it on the outside, but deep inside, that's exactly how I want to feel, right? Peace, calmness, and just zen.